జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. If Vanaras haven't seen Sita Devi, they would not be delaying like this. If Vanaras have not seen Sita Devi, they would not be destroying Madhuvanam and all these things. Definitely Sitamma is safe, there is no doubt. Rama, ma bhut chinta samayuktah samprati amita vikrama. You are such a great strong soldier. You should not be crying and you should not be worrying anymore. When Sugriva said like that, now by the time Vanaras almost there reaching that place, their sounds are heard to Rama, Sugriva, Lakshmana. All Vanaras making such a happy sounds, and now they landed over there. While hearing all the sounds of Vanaras, Sugriva extending his tail with happiness and revolving his tail like a garland around him, and he is feeling so happy. Now Angada, Hanuma, all Vanaras landed over there. Hanumascha Mahabahuhu pranamya sirasa tataha. Hanuma went to Sri Ramachandra Swami, did namaskaram to Rama, and saying that Niyatam Akshatam Devim Raghavaya Nyavedayat. O Rama, I have seen Sita Devi. Sitamma is safe. Like that, Hanuma simply said to Rama. Sugriva, Lakshmana looking at Hanuma with so happiness and high respect to Hanuma. Bahumanena mahata Hanumantam avaikshata. Sri Ramachandra Swami is also with exceeding amount of happiness and with so much of respect looking at Hanuma. Now all Vanaras came to Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva and did namaskaram to them and started telling about Sitamma to Ramachandra Swami, saying that Rama, Sitamma is in the custody of Ravana, and Sitamma surrounded by so many demons. Ravana gave Sita Devi just 2 months time. Like that, when Vanaras started telling about Sita Devi, Rama started asking so many questions. Then Vanaras asked Hanuma, you please go ahead and tell everything to Rama. Then Hanuma turned towards south side, did pranamya sirasa devyai Sitayai, did namaskaram to Sita Devi and saying to Rama like this. O Rama, I crossed 100 yojanas ocean and reached Lanka Nagaram. There I have seen Sita Devi. Sanyasya tvayi jivanti Rama Rama Manoradham. I have seen Sita Devi who is therein always thinking about you. I have seen Sita Devi who is surrounded by so many Rakshasas and scaring Sita Devi. O Rama, Sitamma is such a great pativrata. Sitamma should not be going through this kind of grief anymore. O Rama, Sitamma supposed to be in the middle of so many comforts and pleasures. Rama, do you know Sitamma is sleeping on the bare floor? Rama, Sitamma is now getting even ready to commit suicide. Rama, I have seen such Sita Devi who is always thinking about you. I have searched here and there and finally I found Sita Devi who who is always thinking about you. Like that, Hanuma telling all the details to Sri Ramachandra Swami. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.